Alright, today we are in my car because I want to review this neat little device that I got on eBay. It is the Tekhome, I believe the model is called BR-100. BR standing for Bluetooth receiver, which is, well, as you can see, it plugs into any kind of auxiliary port. So it could be a headphone jack port. It could be, you can use this to make wired headphones into wireless headphones, if you have those. Or you can use it in a car if you have an aux port, but no Bluetooth. And that's what I use it for. At least I did before this car was a piece of junk and I started driving a moped. But that's a story for another day. It has the USB. Let's see if we can get this to focus. Focus. Well, it has the old USB. It's not going to focus. Anyway, it has the old USB charging, and it's cheap Chinese technology, but honestly, I think it's worth it. It's a pretty good deal. So, I'll just demonstrate how this works. This is the power button in the middle, and then volume buttons on either side. Also, track. You can control which track you're listening to with these same buttons, as you can see there. So, I'll just plug it in right there, and we'll turn it on. Now, I already have it paired to this phone here. And what it does, as with most Bluetooth devices, is when you turn it on, it will automatically connect to the last device that it was paired with. So, let's turn it on. Alright, now that first sound that you heard was a little jangle. I don't know why, but it seems like all cheap Chinese technology has silly little jingles, and that second sort of bump sound that you heard was signaling that it had connected. So, and that sound means it is at full volume. Now, depending on the phone, with this phone, the phone volume is not controlled by the Bluetooth device, whereas with the phone that I'm using to record, this will control the phone volume. And with this phone, the volume of the receiver is different from the volume of the device. So, when we turn it off, we get another silly jingle. And there you go. Now, one annoying thing is, whenever you turn it on and off, well, I'll show you. It closes and opens the app back up. It's kind of weird. And there it goes. When it connects, it reopens the app, and I'm not sure why it does that. It's probably just because it's cheap Chinese technology, and you could probably find a better device that doesn't have those sort of glitches or the weird jingles, but like I said, it's a pretty good deal for cheap Chinese technology, and the battery life is actually probably better than what you would think. So anyway, short little video. I don't know, I probably rambled a lot. Oh, and it does have this nifty little clip here, in case you want to clip it to your pants or something, I don't know. But yeah, so that's all. Sorry if I rambled a lot, but this was a fairly short video compared to what you usually get on YouTube. So, that's all for today. Let me know if you guys are interested in more of this content where I spend a little while talking about random things that I own and reviewing them. Till next time.